Hi everyone. Hope you are all doing well. Good evening, guys. How are you all? Audio both are clear, all of you. Everyone. Everyone, audio both are clear, right? So all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it. Get ready to crack, all of you. Get ready to crack, everyone. Right. Yes, Lina. Yes, class is starting now. Good evening. Everyone ready to crack, right? Get ready to crack, all of you, right? So RP Civil Live is my referral code you have to use, all of you. So what is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use always whenever you are subscribing for any plus and iconic courses, right? So this is my profile, you can follow me Twitch, right? That blue color banner is there na, Unacademy Accord, pinned by Unacademy Accord, GATE ESE MEC is there na. Just click on that and you will be following my profile. Yagnani, good evening. And RP Civil Live, right? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use always, right? Recommend your friends also to use this referral code RP Civil Live always, okay? Right. So these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy Plus platform, right? These are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy Plus platform, and all of you, there is something exciting is going to come up, right? Don't miss this. Keep updated. Keep watching. You'll be getting that update suddenly, right? Something good is going to come only, right? You are already following means then inform to all your friends to follow, right? Share my profile to all your friends to follow if you are already following, right? That is what you do. Karpaya, Dhyani, good evening, right? So this crack gate exams through which one? This is scholarship test, right? Crack gate exam through this scholarship test for this GATE and ESE. Unacademy story is going to come up, right? Yeah, what is that means? It is suspense, right? Yeah, you just wait until it comes, right? March 20th, right? March 20th, you'll be having this next combat event, all of you, right? So don't miss this, all of you. That also completed. And for new friends and new groups also, just when I'll give you how it is called as a surprise, exciting is coming up to boost your preparation, right? How it is called as surprise then, right? So it is regarding your preparation only, to boost your preparation. Already it is given clue, so it will be boosting your preparation, right? That's it. That is the only clue, right? Right. So these are the benefits of iconic subscription compared to which one? This plus subscription. Along with plus benefits, you are having these iconic benefits. You can say this verbal ability, reasoning ability, and technical. These are all the syllabus corresponding to the placement related. And one more thing, that is GATE and ESC price hike is coming soon, all of you. So this is a current price you are having for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, and there is a price hike is going to happen to the new values, new price. So before it is getting increased, before it is getting increased, right? Before it is getting increased, all of you try to, right? All of you try to which one? This subscribe before it is getting increased, okay? Use the referral code which one? This RP Civil Life. RP Civil Life is the referral code you have to use always. These are the new batches starting, right? Ascend batch and Evolve batch. These are the new batches starting, right? Now, yesterday what we have discussed, if you just remember, all of you, we were discussing this part 5 na? We were discussing this part 5. Now we will be entering into which one? This part 6 of this, right? So these questions we have seen na? So which topic we were discussing, if you just say this topic only, no? This fundamentals of surveying is scales part only we are discussing, right? In the fundamentals of surveying first part, first chapter, second part, that scales we are going to discuss, right, today. And next class on 23rd. By 23rd, first chapter questions will be over. We'll be entering into the second chapter after that, okay? All of you. We'll be entering into the second chapter after that, if you just observe, okay? Don't miss this, all of you. Right now, coming to this. So how many questions we have done yesterday? Up to this 46 questions we have done now. And now we'll be entering into this 47th question, right? So we are slowly we are increasing the number of questions, right? If you just observe, right? Now, all state PSC PYQs of surveying part 6 today, right? So this is your 47th question. All of you try to write your answer. Try to write your option, question number and option, correct option, whichever you feel correct. (47) C. Karpaya, Leena, And any other answer? And any other answer? Chennai. Jnani, C for Chennai. Sir, we take daily 1 hour, sir. More students are joining. No, actually, yeah, Rajeshwari, 500. What is 500? Okay, 500 is answer you are telling. Okay, very good. Right, write the question number and write the answer. That would be better, all of you. Okay, let it be, right. So what is that? If we just observe here, right, what is it? If we just observe here, right, this comes to be, this is your 47th question, right? This is your 47th question now, right? So what is it here? The engineer's scale, if the engineer's scale of a drawing sheet is 1 centimeter equal to 5 meter, right? 1 centimeter is equal to 5 meter, then the fraction scale would be 1 is to x, then the x value is, fraction means which fraction you can say? It is a representative fraction only, no? Fraction means a representative fraction only. What is a representative fraction? If you just observe 1 centimeter to 5 meters, right? 1 centimeter divided by 5 meters, right? How can you convert this 1 meter to centimeter? Multiplying this each meter with 100, you will be getting centimeters now. So what is that? You can say that 1 by 500. Then what is that x value here? That x value here comes to be this 500. You can say, if you just observe, right? Option C will be the correct answer. Is it clear, everyone? Right? Now, this 48th question, try to answer, all of you. Select the answer for this 48th question, everyone. So without missing any question, we'll be solving all state PSC questions, all of you, right? Don't miss this. Write the question number and answer. Question number and answer, all of you, right? D. Leena said D. Any other answer by others? Any other answer by others? M. Rajeshwari also said D. Any other? Karupaya D. Very good, guys. And any other answer? Sandeep, best teacher. Thank you for your compliment. It all your love and affection only makes me best. Any other answer by others? Shall I proceed to the solution? Shall I proceed to the solution, all of you? Shall I proceed to the solution, everyone? Shall I proceed? Okay. The length of a line originally, right? The length of a line, the length of a line originally, right? My name, okay. The length of a line originally 100 millimeter long, on a map plotted to a scale of which one? This 1:1000, right? So what is that original scale you are having? That 1 by 1000 and 1 by 1000, right? So do you remember that a shrinkage factor or this is shrinkage ratio in terms of scales? How can you get? How can you get in terms of this shrinkage scale? That shrunk length by original length was found to be this 95 millimeter due to shrinkage of this map. Originally 100 millimeter, it was found to be 95 millimeter. So therefore shrinkage ratio or shrinkage factor is equal to what? Shrunk length by original length. 95 millimeters divided by this 100 millimeter, right? So what is the shrinkage factor? 0.95 is the shrinkage factor, right? So now what is the original scale? You can say, if you just observe that original scale is 1:1000, it was plotted. The map is represented using a tape of length 20 meter, was later found to be actually 21 meter, right? Map prepared using a tape of which one? This length 20 millimeter, right? Yeah. Yes, correct. Shrinkage factor 0.95, right? What it is observed? When it was prepared, the map was prepared originally for 20 meter, but it was actually 21 meter, right? They assumed that it is a tape or chain of 20 meter length, but actually what is the length of this chain or tape? 21 meter is actual length. If certain area on the map measured using this planimeter is 100 millimeter square, right? It is 100 millimeter square, not 100 millimeter, 100 millimeter square. Determine the corrected area on the ground, right? Correct area of the ground in meter square, if you just observe, right? Like that. So what is it you can say? Shrunk scale, right? What is that shrunk scale you can say? If you just observe, what is that shrunk scale? Shrunk scale or modified scale or a new scale, na? Shrunk scale or modified scale or this a new scale. What is it you can say? It is nothing but your shrinkage factor into, right? Shrinkage factor into which one? It's shrinkage factor into this original scale, na? Shrinkage factor into which one? This original scale, if you just observe, right? What is the shrinkage factor into original scale? Yeah, shrinkage factor is how much? 0.95 into what is the original scale? 1 by 1000. So it comes to be 1 by how much? This 1000 divided by this 0.95. So tell me what is that a denominator comes to be? That shrunk scale, how much it comes to be, everyone? 1 divided by how much? Shrunk scale 1 divided by how much it comes to be? How much it comes to be, everyone? 1052.6, right? 1052.6, right? 1052.6 you can say, right? That is your shrunk scale, right? That is your shrunk scale. So what does it mean if you just observe? It means that 1 millimeter is equal to how much? 1 millimeter is equal to how much? 1052.6 millimeter. 1052.6 millimeter, right? Then tell me 1 millimeter is equal to how many meters? 1.0526 meters, na? Yes, 1.0526 meters, right? Millimeter to meter, right? 1 millimeter is equal to that 1.0526 meters, you can say, right? 1.0526 meters, you can say, if you just observe, right? Then what is that? You can say 1 millimeter is equal to this one. Then 100 millimeter square is what? 100 millimeter square is equal to how much? 100 millimeter square is equal to how much it comes to be then? 100 millimeter square is equal to how much area? 100 millimeter square is equal to how much area, everyone? You multiply this 1.0526, right? 1.0526 into this 1.0526 now. 1.0526 into this 1.0526 into how much it comes to be? Into how much it comes to be, everyone? 100 it comes to be, right? 100 it comes to be, or what it comes to be, everyone? Or 100 into 100? 100 millimeter square, na? So 1.0526, right? 1.0526 square into which one? This is 100, or into 100 also comes into picture. 1 millimeter is equal to that much, right? 1 millimeter is equal to that much, and what is it? Into 100 it will come into picture, na? Into 100 and into 100 will come, na? Both hundreds will come, right? What is it? You can say that 100 millimeter square, right? That 100 millimeter square is equal to 100 millimeter square is equal to how much, you can say, everyone? 1.0526 square into 100 into 100, right? What is it? You can say 11097, na? 110, right? 11079.67, na? Yes, 11079.67, right? 11079.67, isn't it? 67 meter square. But is it the correct one? 11079.67 or 11080? Anyone you can take it, right? But is it the correct one? But this is wrong, na? This is wrong, na? Therefore, what is that correct area? Therefore, what is that correct area? If you just observe, that correct area will be equal to which one? This is 21, right? We have assumed it as 20 meter, but the tape originally was 21, na? So 21 by this 20 square will come into picture, na? 21 by this 20 square will come into picture into 11079.67, right? Now tell me what is the correct area, considering that chain variation or tape variation also. How much it comes to be, everyone? How much it comes to be, everyone? Oh, sorry, 100 only will come there, right? Sorry, 100 only will come there, na? 100 only. Already we have, yeah, 100 only will come there. Isn't it? 100 only will come there if you just observe, not 200s. 100 only will come, okay? 100 only will come. Sorry. Why 100? Because already 100 millimeter into 1 millimeter. See, 100 millimeter square is equal to which one? 1 millimeter into 1 millimeter into 100. So what is that 1 millimeter? You can say 1 millimeter is nothing but this many meters na. So 1.0526 meters into this 1 millimeter is also can be replaced by 1.05526 meters into 100 as it is, right? So that is why 110.79 meter square is only the correct one. Okay, that you keep it. Yes, now. Now, so what is that? 110 point, this is 7967. How much it comes to be then again? How much it comes to be again then? Tell me. What is the value here? 21 by this 20 whole square. 21 by this 20 whole square into 110 point, this is 7967, right? How much it comes to be? 122.15 na. So kitna hota hai pura together? 122.15 meter square, right? So a 21 by 20 क्या represent कर रहा है वो represent कर रहा है कि so the wrong scale which used is wrong tape, right? Wrong tape length which we have considered as 20 meters, but original tape length was 21 meters, right? So उसके अलावा वो 21 by 20 स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है एरिया को, is ना, right? So 110.79 meter square was not the original. Multiply with 21 by 20 square, then it will be original, considering the tape correction also. Is that clear, everyone? So which option is correct? 122.2 this 2 means option D will be the correct one, na? Yes, option D will be the correct one. So shall we move to the next question, all of you? Right, answer this question, everyone. Select the answer for this question, all of you. The CPWD, I am not that much comfortable with Hindi. I don't know much Hindi, so that's why I am using little Hindi. That's why all my classes also will be in English only. Yeah, Leena, I am Rajeshwari, Karpaya, Taruchaya, Anjanelu. Everybody said C. Any other answer by any other fellow? Any other answer by anyone else? Right. So this is Nagaland PSC and JUVNL. When 1 centimeter on a map represents 10 meter on the ground, then the representative fraction of the scale is, right? What is that 1 centimeter on the map represents? That representative fraction is equal to, right, what is it? You can say 1 centimeter, right? 1 centimeter divided by 10 meters, right? 10 meters is nothing but you convert that 10 to which one? This is centimeters, na? 100. Yeah, yes, same conversion, right? That centimeters, right? What is that? You can say 1 divided by this 1000, na? 1 divided by this 1000 representative fraction, na? Whenever it is a fraction means what we should have? Numerator and this denominator with the same units. Yeah, okay, I'll go to that, Gnani, don't worry. Numerator and denominator with the same units, right? Numerator and denominator with the same units, you can say, if you just observe, isn't it? Right. Yeah, Gnani, yeah. So 1 is to 1000, option C will be the correct answer. Yes, na? Yeah, Gnani, previously, what is that? You can say 100 millimeter square means, how can you write this 100 millimeter square? 100 millimeter square means we can write it as 1 millimeter into 1 millimeter into 100, na? Can we write it like this, Gnani? Yeah, 1 millimeter into 1 millimeter into 100. So in place of 1 millimeter, what you can write? So 1 millimeter is equal to 1.0526 meters now. So 1 millimeter we are replacing with this 1.0526 meters. And this 1 millimeter we are replacing with this 1.0526 meters. And 100 you are replacing with 100 only. Then if you simplify that, how much it will come? 110.79 meters square only will come now. Yeah, I have said 200s, but 200 should not come into picture na. Yes or no? If 200 comes into picture, it should be 100 square meter square, right? 100 square meter square, right? 100 square meter square will come. Okay, like that. Is that clear, Danny? Right. Now, so I'll be moving on to the next question, right? Shall I move on to the next question, everyone? Yes, I'll be moving on to the next question, right? Try to answer this question, all of you. That is 49th question. Where is 50 question? Okay, this is 50th question, not 51st. Okay, that numbering is done wrongly done. Okay. Select the answer of you. Select the answer for this question. Question number 50, right? Question number 50. समझो इसको. B. Karpaya, Tarchaya, Lina. B. Everybody said B. सबको B लगता है क्या? Yes, absolutely right. Plane scale is used to read, right? Plane scale is used to read which one? This is 2 dimensions, right? If you observe normal plane scale, which one? So for example, feet and inches are read, right? Feet and inches are read. Or what you can do, you can read it in which one? This is meters and this is centimeters now. Or you can also read it in which one? You can also read it in which one? This all of you. Yeah, exam oriented B. Yes, very good, right? You can also read it in which one? This is centimeters, comma millimeter. Any two consecutive units we can read it now. Yes, any two consecutive units you will be reading from this if you just observe it like that. So shall we move to the next question, everyone? Yes, I'll be moving to the next question. Try to select the answer for this. This is 51. मान लो इसको. It is not 52. Select the answer for this. Yeah. Select the answer for this 51. C. Lina, Karpaya, Jangid, exam oriented. C. Any other answer by any others? Right. So the representative fraction of this 1 is to 5000, right? Representative fraction of this 1 is to 5000 means that the scale is, right? What is the scale? You can see if you just observe. 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5 meters, right? What is that? 1 centimeter divided by 0.5 meter means 0.5 into, when you multiply with, it will become 100 na? So then it will become, what is that? 1 divided by this 50 only na? So it is not. So first option is not. So that 1 centimeter is equal to 5 meters if you just observe. What it will become? 1 centimeter divided by this 5, you multiply with 100, then also it will become centimeter, right? It is equal to how much? 1 by 500 it will become na? So but this one if you just observe, surely 1 by 5000, right? 1 centimeter divided by 50 meters into which one? This is 100. Then it will be converted into same centimeters in the denominator also, right? ISRO this question? Yes, this is the question given by ISRO. So what is that you can say? 1 by which one? This is 5000 na? 1 by 5000 you can say, right? Which option is correct? Option C is correct na? Yes, option C will be the absolutely correct one, right? Shall I go to the next question of you? Yes, this is 52 question, you take it. Solve this, everyone. Yeah, this is also ISRO wala question already. Select the answer 52B. Karpaya B, Lina B, exam oriented B, Apan Gupta B, and Tarchaya B. Anything else? Anyone else? Anyone else is thinking any other answer? Right. So sum of the smallest divisions of this main scale and vernier scale, right? It is the sum of the smallest divisions, or it is the difference of this smallest divisions if you just observe. It is which one? Least count is equal to what, right? Least count is equal to which one? All of you. Least count is equal to which one? This what is that, everyone? Yeah, good evening. Least count is how much? What is the least count? Anyone say? Anyone remember that least count? Anyone remember that least count expression? Expression for this least count. Anybody remembered, all of you? Anybody remember the least count? So whenever it is a direct vernier, right? Suppose if it is a direct vernier, what is that you will be getting? Direct vernier, right? Whenever it is a direct vernier, what is it you are having? That n number of divisions of this vernier scale is equal to n minus 1 number of divisions of this main scale, right? So can we say it is your s minus v? We can say, if you just observe, what is the s? If you just observe in terms of s only you will get, right? S minus, what is that v? That v is equal to, what is that? V is equal to which one? This n minus 1 into s by n na? So what is that you can say if you just observe? That is nothing but your 1 minus 1 by n into s na? Yes. So s minus, what is that v? 1 minus 1 by n into that s if you just observe. What it comes to be? S minus s plus s by n. So So this yes get cancelled. Then the least count comes to be which one? One main scale, right? So one main scale division divided by this number of divisions on the vernier scale, right? What is the n? You can say n is nothing but your number of divisions on the vernier scale. S is nothing but which one? One main scale division. S is nothing but which one? One main scale division value, right? S is nothing but your one main scale division value, right? S is nothing but your one main scale division value. Is that clear, everyone? So which option is correct? Value of one division of this primary scale, so to main scale na, divided by the total number of divisions of this vernier scale. Yes, absolutely. Option B correct ho jayega. Yes, na? Right. Shall I move to the next question of you? Yes, I'll move on to the next question of you. Try to select the answer. D, is it D? Value of this one division of the vernier scale. No. Value of this one division of this vernier scale, it is not like that. 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 Okay? It is not like that. See, what you can say is because we are just dividing that into small parts. That's it, right? If you observe the value of this one division of this vernier scale, that also will be showing the same dimension as that of other one only. See if you just observe Anjanelu, yeah. See if you just observe Anjanelu, right? What is that you are having? Whenever suppose if you just observe, right? What is that you can say? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 6 divisions of this vernier are there, right? 6 divisions of vernier are coinciding with which one? This 5 divisions of this main scale, right? Like that. So these are coinciding with which one? This 5 divisions of this main scale, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that you can have, right? So this is your 5 divisions of this main scale are coinciding with which one? This is 6 divisions of this vernier scale, right? Now can we say, right? So can we say it directly? Can we say it directly that Nani that each division of this vernier scale is the least count? No, it is not like that. It is not like that, na? Yes or no? We cannot say like that. If it is a plane scale, we can say like that, right? If it is a plane scale, the least dimension of this smallest scale will be the least count. But it is not a plane scale, na? So vernier scale means the construction and the operation itself will be different, you can say. Yes, na? 52, 53 here, right? What is that answer for this 53? Yeah, Lena C. Jangid C, exam oriented C. Anything else? A map mentions the scale of which one? This 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. The scale in the ratio, right? This is RRB SSC Secunderabad, that is given, right? What is that? That a representative fraction, right? That representative fraction is equal to which one? 1 centimeter divided by which one? This 1 kilometer, right? What is that 1 kilometer? Kilometer to meters multiply with 1000. Meters to centimeters multiply with 100 again. So what it will become? 1 divided by which one? 10 power 5 na? 1 divided by this 10 power 5. Option C ho jayega na? Yes, option C will be the correct one, right? Like that. So shall we move to the next question of you? Yes, I'll be moving to the next question. This 54th question. Select the answer, everyone. Select the answer, everyone. Yeah, yes, absolutely. See, even half mark, 1 mark also will change the ranks by a larger extent, score by larger extent. Lena B, Taruchaya B, and any other answer? Karpaya also B. Any other answer by others? Any other answer by anyone else? Nani also B. Right. So shall I start? Right. A surveyor measured, right? A surveyor measured the distance between the 2 points in the plan drawn to a scale of 1 centimeter equal to 40 meter, and the result was 235 meter. Later, however, it discovered that he used a scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 20 meter. Then find the distance between the points, right? So what is that you can say if you just observe, everyone? What is that you can say? So it is, if you just observe that true scale, right, everyone, What is that relation? You remember? True scale divided by which one? This is a true scale divided by this wrong scale. True scale divided by this wrong scale is equal to what? Right? True scale divided by this wrong scale is equal to wrong scale wrong distance divided by this true distance, right? Wrong distance divided by this true distance, right? Like that. So which one you want? If you just observe, wrong distance divided by this true distance, right? If you want this true distance, how can you get this? If you want this true distance, that a true distance will be equal to what? That a wrong distance into what is that? Wrong scale by this true scale, na? Wrong distance into that wrong scale divided by this true scale or not? Yes. So select this. What is that a wrong scale? He used a scale of 1 centimeter equal to 20 meter, right? So it means what is the difference if you just observe? Wrong scale, right? What is that wrong scale? He used a wrong scale, right? Wrong scale of 1 centimeter by 20 meter, na? So 1 by 20, right? 1 by 20 if you just observe into sorry, first we'll go with the distance as it is. We'll go for this wrong distance, right? What is that wrong distance? You can say 235 is the wrong distance, na? 235, right? 235 meters is the wrong distance we are having into wrong scale, right? What is that wrong scale? You can see if you just observe 1 in 20 divided by this. What is that true scale? Actually we are supposed to use a scale of 1 is 40, na? So 1 centimeter is equal to 40, right? 1 by 40, right? Tell me how much it comes to be, everyone. Tell me how much it comes to be. Yeah, I'll explain that, don't worry. Akash, I'll explain that in the next slide. The concept behind that I'll explain it, don't worry. The concept behind that I'll explain it, don't worry. Okay. Yeah, just calculate this value and tell me. I'll try to add one extra slide and select the answer. Explain how it has come. Right.